Namaskar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Students, today also I am going to solve two numerical problems from NSLATE Physical Science 2025 question paper. So, question number 1. First, let me read the question. The partition function Zij of two independent systems I and J is given by option A. Zij is equal to Zi plus Zj. Option B. Zij is equal to Zi divided by Zj. Option C. Zij is equal to Zi into Zj. Option D. Zij is equal to Zi whole to the power Zj. So here the correct answer is option C. Now let me explain how option C is the correct answer. So here we have to know the mathematical form for the partition function of a system with definite energy. We know the partition function of a system with definite energy Ek is given by Z equal to summation over K e to the power minus beta Ek, where beta is equal to 1 by Kb into T. Here Kb is known as the Boltzmann constant. According to this question, we have two independent systems I and J. The partition function for ith system is Zi and partition function for jth system is Zj. We need to find out the partition function of the combined system. ठीक है सर, कॉमन मैं लिखी लसु. So according to this question, we have two independent systems. And okay, system kita hoise I and second one is J. We assume that energy of the ith system is Ei and energy of the jth system is Ej. And partition function for ith system Zi, which is equal to summation over I e to the power minus beta Ei. Again, partition function for jth system will be Jj equal to summation over J e to the power minus beta Ej. Now, total energy of the combined system will be Eij is equal to Ei plus Ej. So therefore the partition function Zij of the combined system will be Zij is equal to summation over I comma J e to the power minus beta energy Eij. So a energy expression to ইয়াত put কৰো. So তেতিয়া আমি পাম summation over I comma J e to the power minus beta Ei plus Ej. এটো অকমান আমি ব্রেক কৰি লিখো. We can write summation over I e to the power minus beta Ei into summation over J e to the power minus beta Ej. So ইয়াৰ পৰা পাইছো summation over I e to the power minus beta Ei is equal to Zi. Again, summation over J e to the power minus beta Ej is equal to Zj. So total partition function of the combined system Zij will be equal to Zi into Zj. So therefore the correct answer is option C. ঠিক আছে next question number 2 first let me read the question a nucleus decays by the emission of a gamma ray from an excited state of spin parity 2 plus to the ground state with spin parity 0 plus what is the type of corresponding radiation option A magnetic dipole option B electric quadrupole option C electric dipole and option D magnetic dipole here the correct answer is option B so a problem to solve koribole hole ami kisuman information janibo lagibo prothom to hol how to calculate the orbital angular momentum quantum number we can calculate the orbital angular momentum quantum number by using this relation eto kaneke kore moi explain korim mone rakhiba L equal to 1 corresponds to dipole radiation L equal to 2 corresponds to quadrupole radiation L equal to 3 corresponds to octupole radiation so yat ama option kita chaba dipole ba quadrupole ase gotike yar bhitor L equal to 1 hobo pare ba L equal to 2 hobo pare so tar koyo ami electric te magnetic hetu check koribo libo mone rakhiba for electric multipole parity factor is calculated by using this relation -1 whole to the power L that means for electric dipole radiation parity factor is negative because for dipole radiation L equal to 1 so -1 whole to the power 1 is always negative again for electric quadrupole radiation parity factor is positive because for quadrupole radiation L equal to 2 so -1 whole to the power 2 is positive again for electric octupole radiation parity factor is negative because in this case -1 whole to the power 3 so -1 whole to the power 3 is always negative so yaar par ami information palo ki for electric dipole radiation that means E1 parity factor is negative for electric quadrupole radiation parity factor is positive for electric octupole radiation parity factor is negative ঠিক আছে next important point hoche for magnetic multipole the parity factor is calculated by using this relation -1 whole to the power L plus 1 so for magnetic dipole radiation parity factor will be -1 whole to the power 1 plus 1 so positive similarly for magnetic quadrupole radiation parity factor will be negative because in this case -1 whole to the power 2 plus 1 that means -1 whole to the power 3 again for magnetic octupole radiation parity factor will be positive so eta moi likhi loso M1 radiation or kane parity factor will be positive for magnetic quadrupole radiation that means M2 parity factor will be negative and for magnetic octupole radiation parity factor will be positive ঠিক আছে so এতিয়া আমি question to solve কৰো so according to this question the transition is from 2 plus to 0 plus the transition is given by 2 plus to 0 plus so next আমি calculate কৰিব লাগিব L value L means orbital angular momentum quantum number so প্ৰথম initial nuclear spin to লাগিব next final nuclear spin value to লাগিব so initial nuclear spin value to হল 2 আৰু final nuclear spin value to হল 0 so orbital angular momentum quantum number to hobo 2 minus 0 to 2 plus 0 या modulus লব লাগিব so 2 minus 0 modulus ললে 2 পাম 2 plus 0 modulus ললে 2 পাম গতিকে আমি পাম L equal to 2 so আমি জানো যে L equal to 2 corresponds to quadrupole radiation গতিকে আমাৰ দুটা পসিবিলিটি আছে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কোৱাড্ৰাপল ৰেডিয়েচন হ'ব পাৰে E2 or magnetic quadrupole radiation so ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি চাব লাগিব পেৰিটি টু চেঞ্জ হৈছে নাই চোৱা ইয়াত ইনিশিয়াল স্টেট টু কাৰণে পেৰিটি পজিটিভ আছে ফাইনাল স্টেট টু কাৰণে পেৰিটি সেম আছে পজিটিভ so পেৰিটি চেঞ্জ টু নো যদি পেৰিটি চেঞ্জ নো হয় E2 হ'ব লাগিব কাৰণ দুইটা সেম থাকিব গতিকে আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কোৱাড্ৰাপল ৰেডিয়েচন ঠিক আছে ইয়াত m2 পেলে নহয় যদি m2 হ'বলে হয় তেতিয়া পেৰিটি চেঞ্জ হ'ব লাগিব কিন্তু আমি ইয়াত দেখিছো যে ইয়াত কোনো পেৰিটি চেঞ্জ হোৱা নাই প্লাস তো প্লাসই আছে যদি প্লাস তো মাইনাস হলতে তেতিয়া আমি লিখিলো হতে কি ম্যাগনেটিক কোৱাড্ৰাপল ৰেডিয়েচন সো ফৰ দিস কোৱেশ্চন the correct answer is option B ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কোৱাড্ৰাপল ৰেডিয়েচন ঠিক আছে option B is the correct answer